Alright, today we're going to make some smoked meatloaf. I got some mushrooms here. Now I'm going to be making two separate ones because not everyone likes mushrooms. So I'm going to make one with mushroom and one without. I have some white mushrooms here. We're just going to chop them up. We'll dump them inside of here. Okay. I've taken some Vidalia onions. I ran them through my mandolin. Onions, when they're cut this thin like that, they are going to almost melt inside the meat. Alright, today I'm using some 80-20 ground beef, and as you can see, what I did was I went ahead and bought the beef when it was on sale, and then I used my vacuum sealer bags and I just sealed them up. This is from January of 2022. Okay, that's when I did it. And it still looks like it just came out of the store yesterday. Guys, if you want to save some money, especially in the way this economy is going and how hard and how expensive everything is, get yourself a vacuum sealer bag. I'm going to be making a video on it in the next day or so and showing you guys everything that I've used that vacuum sealer for. And I'm telling you, you can't beat it. It's good for anything. Alright, so we got the beef in there. Now we want to put some seasoning in there. I got a little bit of mustard. About that much mustard. Maybe about a half a cup. Now here I just add some salt, pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, and a little bit of turmeric in there. Get that in there. Worcestershire, or as I say, Worcester sauce. About 2 tablespoons. And then some catsup. About the same as the mustard, about half a cup. Alright, put them to the side. Now, this is where you want to put some gloves on.
A few moments later.
Alright, now I got the glove on. I'm just going to mix everything right in there. Get that in there. Now, we're going to take one of these pans here. These are those called Copper Chef. I'm telling you what. Here, let me see that. I tell you, these things are the best. You can form your meatloaf to whatever you want. And then it has the little handles here. You just pull it up. And I'm telling you, man, it's like Christmas in July. Get that in there. And you don't have to spray these with nothing. They're non-stick. What we're doing is we're just going to pop that in there like that. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Once you got in there like that, take some mozzarella cheese. I can already hear the applause and the clapping already with the cheese. Put it right on top. Alright, now I got my smoker set for 225 degrees. This is going to cook for about 2 hours at 225. And like I said, that's what it's going to look like when it comes out. Perfect. Alright, put that in there. And while that's going on, we're going to go ahead and make the next one. Alright, so we're back here. It's been about an hour and a half. Go ahead and check these now. They look great. Alright. This is what I like. We're going to take it. We're going to lift it right up out of here without losing it. I'm going to put that one right there. I love that cheese. And we'll let the rest of it brown up. And while we're doing that, we're going to take this leftover juice. Remember that juice I was telling you about? We're going to make the barbecue sauce with it. Alright. Now here, I have some homemade brown sugar. Now what I do is how I make the brown sugar is I just use regular white table sugar, and then some dark molasses. Get about a cup. Put that in there. Give that a good mixing through. A little bit of ketchup. And a little bit of apple cider vinegar. It's going to give it a little bit of tang. About 2 tablespoons. We won't need a whole lot. Just like that. What we'll do is, when the meatloaf comes off, we're going to pour a little bit of that right over top of the meatloaf. But in the meantime, we got about another, I'd say about another 35-40 minutes to go before that's ready to come off and serve. So we'll see you in about 35-40 minutes. All right. These have been sitting on here for about 35 minutes. Oh my goodness. Like I said, gotta love these things. I'll leave a description for you in the link below in the Amazon store for these, but they are fantastic. All right, let the other one sit in there for a minute. That cheese just oozing out of it. All right, let's get back up. Hat off to everyone for the 4th of July. And I would just like to say to all the soldiers out there that have risked their lives, that have died for our country, thank you very much. We appreciate your service. We appreciate everything you've done for us. So please take a second, and God bless all those out there. Thank you very much for your service. We appreciate it.